Okay, so this is how to create a drone assembly. So what we're gonna do, we'll go to File, New, Design. All right, we're gonna hit Save. We're gonna call this empty dash drone assembly. Hit Save. Yes. Cancel out of that. All right, let's try it again. Save. Drone assembly. Okay, so you have three places where it says drone assembly: here, up here, and down here. Now we will bring in the drone body first. So go to where it says assembly here, and go to File. You should have several CAD files by now. So you'll have the drone blade, you'll have the drone body, and you have the drone arm. These are, and you have your drone assembly. So you have 4 CAD files. So let's pop in the drone body. Okay. So you have your drone body. If you hit the drop down, you should have one solid body and nothing else. If you have anything else in there, you want to combine it up or delete it. Any planes or curves, go ahead and delete. Okay. Now you can save it. Okay, now we're going to bring in the propellers. So go ahead and go to assembly again. Go to File. Now bring in your drone blade. Double click. Okay. So in the structure tree, you're going to click your drone blade and hit the move tool, and you want to use this vertical, pull it up and pull it over, and we're going to place it, zoom out a little. We're going to try to place it on the drone arm. So once you get sort of close to it, go ahead and see a line. What this does is it'll align components by the selected axes, points, planes, or combination of those elements. So we're gonna align this face and this face. So you hit align. We'll click this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face. Okay, left click once, and now you see these. There's an alignment here and here. Then hit escape. Spin. Hold the middle button. It'll spin. Now we want to align this face and this face. So what we'll do is we'll hit align, zoom in, left click this face, and then zoom in, left, and then hold Control and left click this face. Okay, again, we'll try it again. Click this face, and then click this face. Okay, don't hold Control. So, all right, now hit save. Okay, now you have successfully aligned the propeller with the drone arm. Okay, now we want to create a pattern, a circular pattern. So go to design, and underneath linear pattern is circular pattern, and what that's going to do is, so we're going to click circular pattern, we're going to click on this body in the structure tree, and then we're going to create 4 pattern and revolve it. Okay, so let's click circular pattern. We'll click this guy, And right now it says select objects to create the circular pattern. We clicked this object, and then right beneath it has direction. So click direction, and it says select a linear edge. So the linear edge that we want to create or revolve this about is this vertical y-axis. So select a linear edge. So we're going to click on this linear edge, and circular count is 4, angle is 360 degrees. Spin it around a little. So that looks good. And then, so you want to hit the check mark to create the pattern. And now we've just created the pattern. So now hit save. Okay. So now we have successfully created the drone assembly.